Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video. Hope you are all fine and healthy. So today I come again with some exciting new video, and today I will teach you how to recover deleted tasks on Asana. So let's get started right away. So guys, firstly, you need to come your home dashboard. Then you'll see a search bar just on the top center. After that, you'll see a advanced search option. Just click on it. Then again, a add filter option is available there, and then you just need to click on there and you'll see a more option, and also there are some items is available there. You select the deleted option, also deleted option again, then you will just click on the search bar. After that you will see some tags that you were deleted few moments ago. Then we'll just come the right side and see the details bar is showing. Then just click on there and choose undelayed option, and that's it. So that is very easy for you guys to just recover your deleted tasks. So that's for today. Thank you everyone for joining with me.